Hello and welcome to Practical IT Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a macOS X Catalina USB installer. This process will allow you to create a bootable operating system installer that you can use on different Macs to install a fresh copy of Catalina if you have a problem with parts of the software, or if you're replacing a hard drive, then you can use this bootable thumb drive to install a new copy of the operating system. In order to create the bootable thumb drive, I use a program called Install Disk Creator, which I already have here on my desktop, and I will show you where to download it. I went to this website called macdaddy.io/install-disk creator. And once you install it, all you have to do is just double click on the program, insert your USB thumb drive, which I have it right here, and I already went through the process earlier, so it has the same name. Select the volume here, switch it from Macintosh HD to the name of your thumb drive, and it will give you a warning message that it will erase the actual volume and copy the contents and make it bootable. So I just click on Create Installer. It'll give you that warning message that I told you about. Type your password to unlock the program. Well, if I can type the password, I know that. Okay, and it'll disappear for a moment. This process will take about 10 minutes. So what I'll do is wait until this completes and I'll come back. Okay, after 10 minutes, the process completed, and we have here a newly formatted and bootable installed macOS Catalina thumb drive. So all you have to do now is just close the program, reboot the computer. As instructions explained here, you can hold down the Option key to boot up from that thumb drive. You can use it again for a brand new installation, what they call it wipe and load, or an upgrade. You can actually upgrade the same way. You can launch it. We have it here. You see the contents of the macOS Catalina installer. Of course, always keep the latest one operating system that you can create, and that's about it. This will definitely help you. There are instructions also to do it via the terminal, which I have it right here, but this is the topic of another YouTube video. So once again, thank you very much. Take care.